Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. Today's video is all about get ready with me on the weekends pretty much. If I'm not working and it's just the weekend and I have errands to do, like go to Publix or Target, and I just want something quick and easy, 10 or 15 minutes or less to get ready, look put together, and so I can get out the door with my kids and go get that stuff done. So today's all about that. I haven't even done my hair, as you can see, because I want to show you exactly what I do. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first product I'm going to use is my Neutrogena Rapid Repair line with an SPF of 30. I live in Florida and sun care is so important no matter where you live. This is your #1 defense against your aging skin. So I put about 2 pumps and I'm just gonna rub it all over my face. I absolutely love this product. It is so lightweight. It has this beautiful lightweight smell to it. It's not really florally. I'm not quite sure how to describe the smell, but it smells really good. It also doesn't take very long to get into your skin, so you don't have to sit and wait a really long time to start doing your makeup. Okay, so now that that's on, the next thing that I always do is I look for a CC cream or foundation or BB cream that's something that's quick and easy to put on, something that's not going to take a while, that I know I'm not going to need any touch-ups because I'm going to be running around all day. So today I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade Fair. I also really like Estee Lauder Double Wear Light. I heard though that they might be going to discontinue that product, and I sure hope they're not, because that's one of my favorite foundations to wear. Okay, so I'm just going to dot it all around my face. I used about 2 pumps. And then I've already gone ahead and I've used my Real Technique sponge, and I've already wetted it, and then I wrapped it in a tissue and I got all the excess water out of it because I'm not so good about cleaning it after using it every time. So you're going to go ahead and dab it around your face. I go ahead and put it right up onto my eyelids as well. I do that so that I don't have to get an eyeshadow primer. It helps for your eyeshadows to have something to cling to, and when I want something to be quick and fast, I don't want to be looking for another product. So I'm going to just put it on my eyelid, dabbing it all around. If you are new to my channel, it's always good to start towards your cheeks and your nose, where you have the most redness and discoloration, because wherever you start is where the most product will be applied, and then as you go around, the product gets less. So go ahead and make sure that you get it everywhere so you have a nice flawless finish. I also like that the CC cream has an additional SPF of 50 since we are in summer and it is extremely hot here in Florida. It really helps. Okay, since that's all done, the next thing that I'm going to do is my eyes. So I'm a huge fan of this Naked Basics palette for a couple of reasons. One, because it's nice and small, it's easy to travel with, to take anywhere. But 2, it has everything that you need to accomplish a look. It has your brow highlight all the way to your crease shades. You can do a nice darkened eye if you're going out at nighttime, so if you want to transition it from day to night. I generally don't use this one very much, but if I do, sometimes I'll use it as an eyeliner. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my dual-ended brush that I have. This one is from my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, but I know that you can get dual-ended brushes off of Amazon or Target that have the same thing. So I'm going to take the shade Skimp, which is the lightest shade all the way here on the end, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelids as a base. And I'm going to go ahead and put it all the way up to underneath my brow, because this is also going to be my brow color, my brow highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other side of the brush, the flat end, and I'm going to go in and do my shadow. I'm going to use the color Stark. It's just slightly darker than my natural skin tone, but it's going to give that nice, make it look like a shadow there, right where the crease of my eye is. So I'm going to go ahead and take that. I start right where my natural crease is, and then I bring it up just a little bit higher to give that effect that my eyes are actually bigger than they are. Go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so today, if you notice, I'm not doing like a really dark look. I'm going to show you why in a second, but like I said, I just want something quick and easy where it looks together and out the door. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with a really small brush. This one is an e.l.f. Concealer brush, actually, but I'm going to use this one to make my outer V, and I'm going to use the color Frisk. So I'm going to lay it flat on its side, pick up some color. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to go right along the bottom and then bring it right up into my crease, making like a little V shape. Like so. It's nothing drastic, it's not like super dark or anything, but I'm not going for that today. Alright, make sure both sides look even. Alright, I find that when you use a brush that's not as soft and it's a little bit more stiff, that sometimes you have fallout. So I have this big fluffy brush that I'm just going to swipe away the fallout so it doesn't stick to my BB cream, or CC cream, sorry. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to not use any eyeliner, because like I said, I just want a quick put together look. So I'm going to use my shadow palette instead. And this time I'm just going to concentrate on the lower part to give it a little bit of a shadow. So I'm going to go in with, I have a MAC angled brush, but you could use any angled brush. And I'm going to use the color Cover right here to just do where it looks like a natural shadow right underneath. I'm going to start at the outer corner. I'm going to work about halfway into my eye and then stop. So as you can see, it makes that nice shadow down below. It looks kind of harsh down below, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do up above in just a minute. All right, make them even. Okay, then I want the people's eyes to be drawn up, so I'm going to focus all of my mascara on my upper lashes. So I'm not going to put any on my bottom. I'm just going to leave that to make it look like there's a shadow down there, and I'm only going to put mascara on the top lashes. Okay, so as I've been telling you guys, I've been using the Lash Paradise. It is not my favorite, but I'm trying to use up this tube before it dries up, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like the Lash Paradise. I love the way it looks on your eyes, but I don't like how quickly it dries, and I also find that it flakes, especially the waterproof. This one's not waterproof, this is the normal one, but I do find that it still flakes and it dries very, very quickly in the tube. So just with one coat, you can tell it gives a really nice lash, and that's what I want. I want my everyone to like look up instead of down. So I'm just putting it on my upper lash for this look. Got some of my hair here, and I got some of my lower lash. Okay, so there we are. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more to make it look more dramatic, just for the top. So that's with 2 coats. And there you go. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my blush. I have been using this Bare Minerals Vintage Peach Blush for years. I love this blush. I honestly forgot that I had it because watching YouTube, I've gone out and bought so many other blushes to try that I forgot how much I absolutely love this. It's just like the NARS Orgasm. It's a loose powder. I don't know if you can see that color, but it's like a peachy, pinky, shimmery hue, and it looks so, so pretty. It really gives a nice flush to your face. If you have fair to porcelain skin tone, you'll love this color. It is so, so pretty. And it just automatically just brightens up. Look at that. It just looks like sun-kissed cheeks. The nice amount of flush. It's so, so pretty. The only thing I don't like is that powders can sometimes be a little messy. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I just want to set under my eye so it doesn't go down onto my CC cream. So I have my Laura Mercier Secret Eye Brightening Powder. So I'm going to use that big fluffy brush that I used before. And I'm going to tap it in here, and then I want to get any excess off because I want only a very thin coat. I don't really want to change the color or anything like that, just to set it so that it does not come down onto there. Okay, and then one last thing for my face is I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is the Benefit Brow Pencil in shade 3. I just brush down my eyebrows. I love this trick. It makes it go by so much quicker. I have some area that's a little bit sparse and I'm missing I'm missing brow lashes. So this just helps to darken it just a little bit and fill in those areas, especially over here where I'm missing some color. But I don't like them to look drawn on. I like them to look natural. So this just adds a little bit more definition to them. So I'm gonna just brush it back up so it blends right in and it looks like my normal hairs. Okay, and then I'm going to end with a lipstick. I love this formula. This is by Maybelline. It's 450 Romantic Rose. It is this beautiful pinkish brown. It has a blue undertone for those of you who have fair to porcelain skin. This color looks so, so wonderful. But one of the reasons why I love it is because it's so creamy. And it gives the most beautiful like pinkish nude color. So I really, really like it. You could wear that alone if you're not a big fan of lip gloss, but I personally love this lip gloss, which is by Revlon. It's the color Supernatural. It's actually not much off from the lipstick color, but I like to just add a little bit of gloss to my lips. But really, if you like just lipstick, it's phenomenal. It's so super soft. You don't need the gloss. So I'm gonna add it just for a little bit of shine. I love this lipstick color. Okay, and then to add it off, the whole reason why I didn't do my hair is because generally on days that I'm just running to the supermarket, I honestly don't want to take time to do my hair because it's so hot and humid anyway here, and it'll just turn into a big frizz puff. I put a hat on. So I had my hair back in one of these Bobbles. If you guys do not own these things are amazing. I love them. They start out like really small, and this is how much they stretch out, but I love them because they don't leave a crease in your hair. All right, so what I do is I go ahead and put on one of my favorite hats. I love white hats, and this is one of my favorite hats right here. It's my Simply Southern hat. I just put my hair in there. Then I use my Bobble, and I just do like a quick messy bun, and there you go. And then to add just a little bit of sparkle to the look and to make it look a little bit more put together, I got these adorable ear crawlers from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, the Nadari ones. Oh my gosh, they are so, so pretty. I love these. One of the things that I love about them is they're post earrings, so they're not going to move around on you, but they add just the right amount of sparkle and really looks super, super pretty. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, so that's under 15 minutes with me talking. So it definitely is something you can do quick and easy. And like I said, the ball cap super helps. I look put together and finished, and I'm ready to go to Publix with my kids or Target and have a great day. So I thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so before leaving. And I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks so much for watching.